Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down appliance mysteries one error code at a time. Today, we're diving into the Frigidaire washer error code E59, specifically for the 2025 models. If you've ever stared at your washer flashing this code and felt completely lost, you're not alone. It's a common issue that can halt your laundry day in its tracks. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First off, what exactly is error code E59? In Frigidaire washers, this code typically signals a problem with the pressure switch or the water level sensor. Essentially, your washer is telling you that it's having trouble detecting the correct water levels, which could stem from a clogged hose, a faulty sensor, or even an electrical glitch in the control board. This is more common in newer models like the 2025 line, but the fix is often straightforward. Let's get into troubleshooting. Start by unplugging your washer from the power source for at least 30 seconds to perform a reset. This simple step can clear temporary glitches and might just solve the problem. If that doesn't work, check the pressure hose connected to the sensor. It's usually located at the back or bottom of the machine. Look for any blockages, kinks, or debris that might be obstructing water flow. While you're at it, inspect the hose connections for any loose wires or corrosion. If you're still seeing the error, it might be time to delve a bit deeper. Try running a diagnostic cycle if your model has one. Check your user manual for instructions. In some cases, you'll need to clean the sensor or replace it, but that's a job for someone with a bit more experience or a professional technician. Remember, always prioritize safety and avoid opening up electrical components if you're unsure. To prevent error code E59 from popping up again, make it a habit to maintain your washer regularly. Clean the drum and filters every few months, and ensure that your home's water pressure is stable. These small steps can extend your appliance's life and save you headaches down the road. There you have it, a quick and clear guide to tackling Frigidaire washer error code E59. I hope this video helps you get your laundry routine back on track. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.